I kept hearing it. Tech is the future. Tech is the new oil. Bro, just learn coding. You'll cash out. But no one told me which part of tech was for me. So I jumped in thinking I was behind. I opened a Python course. 2 lines in, I was already confused. Like, why is this thing talking about snakes and brackets? I tried UI UX, watched tutorials, downloaded Figma, stared at the interface like it owed me money. Then graphics design. 3 hours on one flyer, and someone still said EB like Canva reject. I laughed, but deep down, I was tired. Tired of trying to fit into something that didn't feel like mine. And worst of all, I started thinking I wasn't smart enough. Like maybe tech just wasn't for me. But then I paused, sat with myself, and asked the question that changed everything. What if my niche in tech doesn't look like theirs? Because here's the truth. While they were writing code, I was writing captions. While they were building apps, I was building emotion through edits. While they were debugging programs, I was debugging hearts through storytelling. I realized something powerful. I love videography. I love content creation. I love motivating people with truth. I love making people feel something with just light, words, and motion. And you know what? That's tech too. I don't just create content, I understand attention. I don't just edit videos, I design experiences. I don't just speak, I shift perspective. That's my lane, that's my niche. I'm not a coder, but I am a builder of visuals, of voices, of value. So yeah, I'm in tech, just not the way they expected. Because tech is not a box, it's a bridge. And I crossed it with a camera in my hand and a dream in my chest. I'm KCE. Keep chasing every day. I don't need to go viral to feel valid. I don't need to follow trends to make impact. Because my niche, it's motion, it's message, it's meaning. So if you're still figuring out where you fit in this tech world, let me tell you what nobody told me. You don't find your niche by copying. You find it by creating. Explore, experiment, fail, laugh, try again. And when it clicks, you'll know. Because your niche won't just look good, it'll feel like home.